Hey, man, first you grab a piece of meat, then you boil it in some heat. Hey, if that nigga get a pedicure, he just got to take their word for it.
They said you look like Luther Vandross.
Vandross! You look like Luther with his drawers on.
Why do you picture
I ain't Luther with my drawers on.
That nigga Billy be asshole naked in the shower talking about Candyman.
Hey,
Not the what?
Not the what? Let me land.
I'm gonna let you land. This is my merch.
Like he
This is
take
my merch.
prenatal pills.
Hold on, get that dick out your throat. Wow. That nigga got Cardi B panties on his head. These niggas look like a broke Mobb Deep.
Who's singing this shit last?
Come on. That nigga Brody face got a yeast infection. Hey man, hey. When you go camping, bears hide their food. That's me. That nigga built like a trick mirror. Fat and I'm skinny. I'm fat and I'm skinny. I'm fat and I'm skinny. I'm fat and I'm skinny.
He still got an S curl in 2017.
That nigga got male boobs.
Hey, y'all give it up for Sleazy.
Rick Ross with leukemia.
What's up, bro?
That nigga David Tattoos is full of menus.
That was a good joke.
Hey, all these man, he's trying to get his community service.
All these misses? That's some fucked up shit. Fuck you niggas.
You got a midget kid.
Y'all kick me.
Goddamn midget kid.
You look like a homosexual pimp. Pepper. Let me get back here. Man, move your fat ass out the way. God damn, nigga sitting over here stinking. Hey,
What's up, boo?
they kill cornbread. Jamal Wilson, you shut your fat army built looking ass up out here. That nigga lips look like pulled pork.
You said that last time, nigga.
You said that here.
3 weeks ago you said that bullshit, nigga.
That nigga blood type is Nutella.
This nigga like the little Joker from Spades.
CP, if you don't get your Bernie Mac's hologram looking ass out here.
You like a diabetic otter.
You look like a thawed out catfish. Hey, what's going on, B? Look like Jada Pinkett mama at the red table.
Hey, you got a whole album about cigarettes.
You look like an evil ass Winnie the Pooh. Shut your ass up.
Yeah,
What's that nigga look like some hog head cheese. Get your ass down somewhere. Nigga, don't give me no bad news face after that.
Nigga, from a 75-degree angle of your head, I can't see your ears.
Nigga, your hair look like you finna do this. That's wild prerogative.
Martin Lawrence face ass up, nigga.
They said when you go to sleep, you jump over the moon. You don't get your ass over here.
Shit for Boo, nigga. All right, Boo got me, nigga.
Nah, nigga, the diet got you. Get your duck goose looking ass.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You look like you own a 7-Eleven, nigga. Hey, I know. I'll go first.
All right.
Why do people think alcohol make them smarter?
Why?
It made Bud wiser.
Is butt cheeks one word? Or should it be spread apart?
Ask Billy. What came first? The chicken or the egg?
Which one?
It don't matter. They both got laid. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because there was 2 niggas behind him with hot sauce. What's white, black, yellow rolling around a McDonald's parking lot?
White, black, yellow,
And brown.
and brown.
rolling around a McDonald's parking lot.
What?
David Lucas fighting a pigeon for a French fry. First you grab a piece of meat, then you...
With some skinny jeans on.
Nigga, you look like Chewbacca and Tyler Perry and Matt. Chewy ass. Get us out of here, Chewy. Every time that nigga go to the zoo, elephants feed him peanuts.
This nigga got a head full of burnt fettuccine.
Y'all give it up for Groot from Guardian of the Angels. Baby Groot.
Boy, you got an African mosquito bite on your nose.
Come on, nigga. Your lips look like you've been eating foot potted donuts. That's CeeLo cooked greens.
Hoop and granddad.
Every time you talk, people die. Every time you smile, Dookie
I gotta
comes.
send K-Dub to detention.
Hey, get your black ass Abraham Lincoln ass out here.
Boy, you like a Chinese pug.
You so black. Every time I look at you, I think I'm asleep. Man, if I had teeth like you, I'd keep my mouth shut.
Thank God you
Got 10, nigga.
You got
You look like you
7,000
been smoking Dookie blunts.
You been smoking crack. Straight crack.
Your teeth is pop locking.
You got a piece of crack right here sitting on your
Nigga,
lip.
you drunk water, turn it to beer.
Keep going.
Your teeth got COVID.
Keep going.
Keep going, you shouldn't look like your mama.
Keep going, boo.
First you grab a piece of Dookie, then you put it in
here
the
you go.
Dookie. Your teeth look like you got it out your ass.
Yo, you shitted your album out.
Every time you smile, they say Jim Brown.
Your album gonna go cardboard.
Your teeth look like you were drinking warm Tang.
Your album is unconnected West.
Hey, this easy work. Man, your teeth look like the first 12 minutes of Slave.
Keep going. Keep going.
That's why your mama wouldn't breastfeed you. She said, you gonna do it on your own. That nigga got put on for not fucking bitches. That nigga be jumping over pussy. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. She's a girl.
Yeah. Say something new.
She's a girl.
Yeah, I made him. He didn't say 15 old jokes. He had to say
Y'all
something
get
new.
up for yuck. Hey.
Hello.
Beautiful. Let me land.
Good to see you. Pandemic packs, you know what I'm saying?
Did you hear the one about the jump rope?
Nah, what happened?
Skip it.
Get out of here, man.
You got shit on me.
That nigga look like Ice Cube mama. That nigga David wear a pancake parachute when he jump out of place.
Boo got curved by Betty White.
Y'all give it up for the homosexual devil. I'm the hell. I'm the Islam. That nigga's shoes look like he got them from Shakey's Pizza.
Hey, the back of Boo head look like a melted candle.
A nigga wham wham.
Oh, Frankie Lyman looking motherfucker. Bye bye. That's all. Goody goody. Goody goody.
Y'all give it up for the Real Housewives of Section 8. Hey, get that condom out your mouth. Hey, Chad. This nigga need a back brawl.
You got tattoos of when to take your prescription, nigga.
Nigga, you got thigh arms, nigga. Your arms are thighs. That nigga gonna be a root beer float at the New Year's parade.
Get up for Boo.
Got
your man. You get your wop babaloo bam, the bop bam boom.
That nigga snorted coke out of nigga ass.
Keep going. One more.
Look, I go this way.
That way, man.
Look, I go this way.
Yeah, man, you
You look like you're a librarian for the grape streets.
Fat ass rat, nigga.
Why your lips look like every time you smile, say Kool-Aid? You know why the Whopper beat the Big Mac.
The Whopper beat the Big Mac. The Whopper beat the Big Mac. The Whopper beat the Big Mac.
Hey, boo, you look like you sell loose cigarettes in the nursing home, nigga.
You look like you took a bitch on a date and she didn't eat nothing.
Hey, they get shit old ass nigga.
Big old nigga, big old young nigga, big old thick young nigga. Should be playing football. Nigga don't do nothing. Should be playing football, big ass nigga. Nah, he's a nurse.
Hey, what's up
What's
with
going
you?
on with you, nigga? Frankenberry built that.
Oh, brother.
Not the what?
You bitch you. Let me
Let me live. What's going on, Mustard?
Yeah, what up, nigga?
Let me live. What's going on, Dave? They got you in the hot sauce? No, the hot seat. Yeah. Fat ass out of nigga feeling like beans and cornbread had a fight. Beans, not cornbread out of sight.
Hey, boo.
Beans and cornbread had a fight. Beans, not cornbread out of sight.
Sweat. Not the wine.
Nah, I got the wine.
You got the
Hey, what's going on? You little frisky Mr. T?
And your chain came with a pocket watch.
Get your Art Shell looking ass out of here.
I tried to.
Hey, what's y'all get up for Shannon Sharp? Skip. Wait a minute, Skip. All the way from Los Angeles, California, the one and only. Y'all give it up for Lou. Hey, you bet you. What's up, Lou? What's up, baby? They said you could cry out your side tooth. A T. Love, you get your black ass to me.
I thought it was just a broke light underneath it.
They call him lights out. If you take your wig off, Billy will get under it. Y'all get up from Malcolm X granddaddy. We don't know what they know and what they don't know. What's up, AD? Y'all get up for a gullible Suge Knight.
Hey, boo. First you boil it in some meat.
Then you put a piece of meat, then you shove it in a bowl. Now David Lucas has